Okay guys, I wanted to show you my storage unit. So this is mine and I have to come through here. Now, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is mine. It's literally like 7 steps from the car, so I don't have far to travel in with anything. And here we go. Here's my shiny shed. Oh, I'm not sure how many shelves I'm going to need in here. It's really kind of hard to judge the space. I'm just going to make up like half a dozen that I've got here, and I might have to go and buy some more. Okay guys, I have made 6 shelves. So you can see I've put 2 near the door and then I've got 4 going along here. I do want to leave some room. I don't want to have the whole thing shelved because I want to put some tubs. So I'm thinking if I keep this back wall for tubs at the moment. So I think what I need to do is get another 3 shelves to fit along here. But I don't want to just have like a huge amount of wasted space in the middle of this big unit. Like that seems pointless to me. So I've got to work out how to somehow do like a bit of an aisle or something with more shelves. So yeah, I think I'm going to go back to Bunnings now. I'm going to get another 6 to 8 shelves, depending on how many they've even got in stock, because they didn't have many left yesterday when I bought all these. I'm going to go grab a coffee and some lunch, and then come back and make some more shelves, which is super boring. And yeah, I just want to get all the shelves in here first because it's easier to make the shelves while this unit's empty than, you know, bringing in all the stock and then trying to make shelves around them. Like, that's a nightmare. So I just want to get all the shelves made first. Deck it out as well as I can to make use of the space as much as I can and go from there. So I'm back. I've just bought another 8 shelves and I guess now I just have to put them up, which is absolutely the worst job in the world. I literally hate putting together these these shelves, but it doesn't matter. It's just got to be done. I've got to get this shit done. And I just got to build these shelves and suck it up. And, you know, as soon as they're built and the unit is set up properly, I'll be able to start moving some stock in here. And that's going to be awesome because it's going to be out of my house. Hey guys, I'm just leaving my storage unit. I am absolutely stuffed. I've just put together 12 shelves and I've still got a few more to go. So one thing about this storage unit is it's actually fitted way more in it than I was expecting. Like, I didn't actually think it was going to fit this many shelving units, and because it's fitted so much more than I was expecting, I'm actually thinking of changing my direction with it. So bear with me because I'm going to think it over tonight, you know, after I've wound down and just had time to sit and reconsider my options. But I'm super surprised with how many shelving units, you know, this unit has fit. And, you know, I'm really excited. This is going to change my world. So my original plan was to keep all my unlisted stock in this storage unit, but now that I can see how much it's actually going to hold, I've decided to keep all my listed stock over here in the storage unit, and so I've decided to ask if they have a bigger storage unit available. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move my shelves into a bigger unit so that I've got enough room to put my listed stock, but also a packing area in here so that I don't have to keep coming back and forth the house. So the last storage unit was a 3 by 4.5 meters, and the new storage unit is 3 by 6 meters. Now, none of the storage units here have any lighting in them. So the good thing about this new unit that I've moved into is it's got 2 large roller doors and the corridor is really well lit. So it's actually letting a lot of light into my storage units, which is going to make it easier to work from. So I've got some of my tubs are going here, but this is mainly going to be my packing area. So these tubs aren't going to stay that high. Don't stress everybody. I'm not going to keep them that high. Some of the boxes need condensing, and I'm going to try and cull them down a few, to be honest. I've actually just gone into the storage unit to inquire about another storage container because I'm actually pretty full in this storage container, and I actually think that I'm going to outgrow it fast. And I just wanted to see, there was a couple of reserve stickers in the same aisle, and I just wasn't sure if they were actually reserved for someone else or if it meant they were free. So I've just gone in there and asked, and there's one storage container, which is a 3 by 3, which is just like 2 down from my storage units. So I'm actually contemplating whether or not I rent that now, because it would be so much more practical if I am going to outgrow this in the next couple of months. If I could get into another container now and have it like in the same aisle as the other ones, it would just make it so much easier. So I've just got to punch some numbers and see whether or not I think I can afford it, because these storage units aren't actually cheap. The one I'm paying for now is about $420 a month. The one that I just looked at is about $220 a month. So, you know, I'm coming up like $640 a month, which is a lot of expense that I haven't been used to in the past. So I've got to punch some numbers and I've got to talk to my husband, but I am going to consider it because I feel like I really enjoy being up there and packing, but because I've got the packing station and the tubs and everything, like it's kind of taking up quite a bit of the room, whereas maybe if I had the bigger shed, which is a 6x3, as you know, all storage, and then could move like a packing station into the other one, maybe that would be better. So after talking with my husband today about getting another storage unit, we've bitten the bullet and we've done it. So now I've just rented this storage unit, and I've also got this storage unit and this storage unit. So I've literally got the 3 now in this space. So what's going to mean now is this room is going to become a full packing area, and those 2 over there are going to be full storage areas. So it's just going to give me more room in there. Before I was trying to hold all my stock as well as pack, and I was just thinking I'm going to run out of room really fast. So if this area here becomes a packing area, room for storing some tubs, I think there'll be room for storing some postage supplies and packing mailing bags and stuff. And then these ones I will deck out with some more shelves, and they will be 100% listed stock. I can't wait. This is so exciting. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to show you how I'm setting up my packing area and making my new storage space work for me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.